channel. So today we are gonna be unboxing a table lamp, but what you guys don't know is that I have two bonus lamps and I'll be showing that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for the bonus lamps. So here's the lamp that you guys are here for, which is this one. So it's basically a moving standard decorative piece which you can use as a table lamp. And the fact that it makes different design every time you turn it upside down is so fascinating to me. Also, the lights in this can be changed. You just have to unbox it now. It's not gonna fit. We also have a manual with it. Here you could see you can have different types of sand. So you can have a green one, a yellow one, and also black one. I've chosen the black one. And yeah, that's it. And for the manual, we have this. Oh, play with the correct method of quick sand painting. So there are some instructions that you can see over here. You can just pause it and you can just read it if you like. So our device is upside down. We have a stand. Here is it. Let's put it right over here. Our USB cable. And also our sander. So I've ordered the small one. Look at the sparkles. Look at all those sparkles. We'll just have to put it over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. We have to push it hard. I'm scared. Here's our device. I'm pretty happy with it. So as you guys can see, here is our device. And let's do the honor and flip it upside down. My goodness, can you guys see it? It's falling down. To be honest, I don't like the falling down fast part. I want it to fall down slowly, so maybe there is not much of an air pocket. In the manual it said that you have to shake it first. Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. So let's just shake it first. Also, the lighting in this can be changed. You just have to plug it in and push this button. And you can change the color of it. Like, look at it. So the circular part of the lamp is made of a transparent glass, as you can see, and the sand is made of plastic. You can choose the sand color when you're buying it. I have chosen the black color sand. You can't really see it because of the light. Now for the sand falling part, you can actually control the speed of the falling sand. And for that, you will be needing an injector. With that, you can add air or take out air. So if you add air, it will slow down the sand. So I myself prefer a slow falling Sandscape. And the product that I got is really fast falling. As you guys can see it. You can use the USB plug-in in it, or you can also use batteries. If you can see it right over here, it will need 3 AA batteries. So if you don't have anywhere to plug it in, you can just pop some batteries inside of it and you will be good to go. So the variant that I got is really different from the other variants. In this variant, you can inject the injector from any place, so you can just put it anywhere you want. And also the sides are squishy. I just hope it doesn't leak. So moving on, the way you will be adding or removing your air is that you'll just have to find an injector hole in your lamp if you have one, and then move the air bubble towards the hole so that you can put the injector inside it and inject or remove the air. But if you have the one like mine, then you are in luck. You can just inject it from anywhere you feel comfortable, but you have to be careful about not removing the water from it. So if you guys can see, here's the bubbles, and you can just put your injector here and you can just add air or remove air. I have very little air bubbles over here, so I'll be needing an injector. So it's the next day and I've bought an injector with me, so I'll be adding some air inside of it. So let's just put the injector first. Here it is. So I will just have to put some air inside of it. So I will just have to put the injector over here where the air is. Can you guys see it? And put some air inside of it. Oh, there is a lot of air. So it will make the sand fall slowly, which I like. So previously you saw that the sand was falling really fast, which I don't really like. So I have bought the injector and I wanted to show you guys how I do it myself, so you guys can do it too. It is actually falling quite slowly. And that's it for our Sandscape lamp, and now we'll be checking out our bonus lamps. So here is our bonus lamps. Are you guys excited? So the first lamp is this one. It's a baby mushroom, guys. Can you guys see it? Like, look at it. It's so adorable. I have another surprise for you guys, which is this one. Like, look at it, guys. It's a big mushroom and a baby mushroom. So let's just put the tag out and turn it on. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see it? I'm totally in love with it. So let's just put it right over here and let's just turn it on. My goodness. Look at it, guys. Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. I just can't. So I have one more lamp left for you guys, which is this one. Oh my goodness, can you guys see it? It's a tiny little lampshade. How do I turn it on? Oh, it's over here. Oh, I just have to push it. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with it. It's a small little lampshade. You guys like it? I'm totally in love. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys like my video. If you guys like my video, please do give it a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment box down below which of the lamp did you like the most. And also, if you guys like this video, I'm sure that you'll also like my other videos, so I'll be putting those in the comment box down below, so please do check them out. Okay, bye bye.